Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So a few pieces of news right off the bat. Ripple's UBRI partners with IIT Bombay and other universities to solve the world's remittance problems. Guys, I'm just going to skim over these articles right now. Not going to delve too deep into them. I always link the articles in the description if you guys want to read them further. Ripple partner Bank of Dohfar goes live, complete successful cross-border payments to India. And so this is a bank in the UAE, and they have now gone live on RippleNet and are able to send payments to India in real time, which is great because the corridor from the UAE to India, there are a lot of migrant workers that tend to send money home to India who work in the Middle East. In the UAE, that's one of the bigger countries where that occurs, kind of like in the Philippines where the Filipino people go abroad to work and send money home. So that's just another corridor now where RippleNet will be useful. Ripple XRP could be integrated into our global payments system, says Remitly CEO. So guys, there's some interesting news that's coming out. Don't want to get too much into this. Again, I link all the articles in the description. Crypto Visa card now supports XRP, Tron, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, and Dash. And so this is from spend.com. They tweeted this out. XRP is now available on the Send app. Buy, sell XRP with your bank account. Exchange XRP, all supported assets. And so you can link your, from what I understand, you can link your cryptocurrency to a Visa debit card, and you can use it to basically buy anything around the world where Visa is accepted using cryptocurrency, whether it's your XRP or your Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, whatever you decide to use, you can use that now to spend. And Visa has made that seamless. But I know right now what's on everybody's mind. Market is up. Bitcoin up by 4.14%. Ethereum, the big winner, at 13.59%. XRP, 4.27%. EOS in the double digits. Bitcoin Cash in the double digits. Quite the sea of green that we're seeing right now in the crypto space. And I've always got to wonder why. Like, why is it that today is the day that all of a sudden stuff is moving up? And so everything's moving up. Of course, Bitcoin gets pumped, so everything else gets pumped. Or one of the other coins gets pumped, so altcoins gets pumped. What is it that's creating this? So I just took the liberty. I don't usually do this, but I went to I just looked up cryptocurrency news just to see if there's anything that I can pinpoint, that I can put my finger on that is creating this bull run. And you know, when I'm looking at this news, it's nothing great. It's just all kind of stale news. We have the JP Morgan coin thing, which is from a few days ago now, and that's kind of hit the big top hits here on Google. Japanese Amazon, no, that wouldn't be it. JP Morgan launches fake cryptocurrency. No, that's still JP Morgan. Ethereum surges 13% overnight. Crypto market punching. And so what is this? Crypto market punching for a strong recovery. Okay, so this is just basically kind of reporting what's going on. There's no real news here, though. The closest thing I could find was this article here. Cryptocurrency market update. $5 billion growth amid bullish Asian stock market as U.S.-China trade talks near. And then when I read the article, there's literally no news. It's just, again, reporting on the price movements of the cryptocurrencies. So again, there's speculation. We don't really know why the cryptocurrency market is moving. Somebody's buying something and other people are following. That's kind of all we know. But here's the question we're all asking ourselves. Can we maintain this bullish momentum? And so here's XRP on an hourly. And as you guys can see over the last few hours, we saw some bullish momentum moving up. And so this is kind of great too, because, you know, we were always looking to see if XRP would go back down past lower than this 28-cent mark here. And after this last bullish move up, we just kind of saw XRP basing in this space and then another move up. So the question is, are we going to be able to break resistance? And this is always the question we come back to. Can we break resistance? We need to break that resistance in order to move up. First, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So, you know, we always have to kind of look at Bitcoin, unfortunately, because it is still the industry leader. And right now, Bitcoin, wow, looking quite bullish. That's Bitcoin on the hourly. And so you can see there was the same kind of pattern from when XRP made that move up and then kind of base, didn't come down any lower, and now continuing to move up. So Bitcoin has indeed cracked this high from a few weeks ago now. Let's look at Bitcoin on the daily though. And so let's kind of really gauge what we're going to see here. So let's just see. So Bitcoin's looking quite bullish over here. Okay, obviously we need to see it break 4,000 to about 4,300. So if in and around this mark here, if Bitcoin can break this, we'll definitely see higher highs for XRP, in my opinion. And then the big level of resistance for Bitcoin particularly is that 62 roughly to 75, in and around here. Basically this kind of basing 61 to 67. This was a level here where we saw a lot of basing, right? We saw a few pops, but this level right here was really the level that we had seen for Bitcoin after June till about November, where we really kind of thought that this was the floor, and then this came down here. This huge sell-off here for Bitcoin made a new floor. So can we see this rise? Well, what is the first level of resistance we have to beat? So for Bitcoin, and if we just look at Bitcoin, it's important to look at Bitcoin because everything's just really beating to the beat of Bitcoin's drum right now. And so it's unfortunate for us, but we're kind of at its mercy. So what do we need to see? We need to see this level being broken. So around 4,400. Or roughly, a little higher because it goes to this level here. So after the move down, right, we saw a little bit of basing move down, basing in here, move down. So we have to really kind of beat this 4,500, let's say 40, 30, 39 to 45. If we can get out of that zone, pierce that zone, the next one then we would have to hit is the 6,500 mark. So first let's get above 4,500 for Bitcoin. Then we're starting to see some real promising potential for the cryptocurrency space. Let's go to XRP. So for XRP, we are in the same kind of boat, and I'm sure if we see Bitcoin break those levels, we'll definitely start seeing XRP kind of rise into this level as well. Maybe the 40, between 35 to 45, 46 cent mark, because everything kind of moves in conjunction, right, guys? So that's what we have to look for. We have to see if we can hit those levels. Now, of course, that is just the first mile in a marathon, to take the words from Brad Garlinghouse. What we really need to see, guys, is this. We need to break proper levels of resistance. This one though is the key one, and I keep saying that, the 79 cent. So we have this one here, which is roughly around 57. We have to break that then next, which is around 62. But then this one here is the biggie, the 79 cent mark. And once we've broken that mark, the chances of us being in a bull market are very, very high. And so for those of you who don't really understand technical analysis and think I'm just scribbling on a chart here, ultimately, there's no crystal ball in this. It's all kind of probability and percentages. And so, if we hit this area here, the chances of a bull run are possible, but lower. If we hit here, they're a little bit better. If we hit here, they're a little bit better. And if we hit here, they're even better than that. So it's kind of like, obviously, the higher, the more resistance we can break, the better chance of a bull run. And obviously, that sounds very intuitive and like, duh, no kidding. Obviously, if we go higher, we're in a bull run. But realistically, when you're looking at this on such a day-to-day or an hourly to hourly, it really, there's more to it than that. Trust me, it's not just that. But just to kind of make it simple for the viewers out there, I think we should just take it one step at a time. Let's keep it here, and I will report back in, obviously, if we hit 46 cents, and especially if we break this level. This is all looking good, though, guys. I mean, the cryptocurrency market has been in the doldrums for quite some time, so it's great to see some green. But I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.